This is how I got hit and run in Toronto. And why I came back. This is my cousin Josh and his girlfriend Audrey. These two were my tour guides, and it was my first time exploring Toronto, so I really appreciated them and their help. But little did we know we were going to experience something crazy. Josh and I wanted to see a car show that was being hosted by some Instagram people I knew. And I wanted to rent something cool, so I rented out this BMW i4. It was paint to sample, it was nice, had all the pristine bells and whistles. So we drive to the car show, it all went well, some cool cars. And then this happens. There's no audio in the dash cam, but what happens is I literally tell Josh that I'm having a great time with this car and it was a great choice. And as soon as I say that, this guy gets behind me and completely hits me. Knowing all too well it was his fault, he decided to just run. So, we got hit and run here before. What was your opinion on that? How do you feel about that?
Man, it's a huge bummer, but you know, we take it on the chin.
We do.
Back for more too.
Yep.
Shout out to the Toronto Police Department.
Shout out to them for not giving me a call back.
Did they not call you?
No. I got no call back from the police department after calling them. There was no investigation. There was nothing. I just had to pay the deductible and pay for it all. But fortunately, the owner was really cool. But why would I come back? Honestly, it's because my cousins are fucking cool. And we were about to do something even crazier. Let me show you. We went climbing the other day. That was crazy.
I was like, oh, he's gonna rip
Dude,
it.
this is crazy. This is my other cousin,
There's so-
Aaron, and his girlfriend, Ivy. Both also super cool.
So yeah, the way this works is I'll drive the first lap to show you the track.
Sure.
And then we'll switch.
Okay.
And then usually at the end, I will, not usually, pretty much every time if it's the first time, I will drive the final lap.
Wow. Good control. Holy crap.
You know?
Wow. Wow. Wow, right on the edge. Pause. So, who's driving?
Very slippy, narrow.
Our instructor was Crazy Leo, and later I found out this guy was a true rally champion.
Bit of a pendulum.
Wow, okay. I think you got me hooked.
Good.
You got me hooked for sure. Wow.
That's why we came up with these short packages, so people can try it at reasonable cost. you know, and just
Check out Leo's school. It's honestly worth it, and it's pretty cheap. I definitely recommend Race Labs, and I'll put the links below. Leo is probably my favorite instructor so far. Next, the cousins were in the car to watch Leo drive.
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.
Ready?
Okay, you record that way, I'll record us.
Holy shit! Yo!
Oh my god, oh my god.
Nice?
Yeah! Woohoo! Yo!
All the cones are still up for now.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Oh my god.
Birds.
Gotta make way!
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Scandinavian flick coming.
Oh my god.
Whoa!
Oh fuck. Oh my god. Shit. How are the pylons still up?
fucking sick.
I was like, that's how it's supposed to be.
Yo. Yo.
I slowed down here a little bit. There's a bump. Mechanical sympathy. And
Oh, it's not over.
2 corners to go.
No pylons hit.
Holy crap! Oh my god!
Holy shit. Leo, you're the man. You're the man.
Thank you to Leo and Race Labs for making this racing experience amazing, and my cousins for making Canada an amazing time.